Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So today I wanted to look at the coins where the mint has featured the RAM. Okay, so Australia's wealth and economy was really built on the sheep, on the wool industry, and back in 1938 they put the RAM on the shilling, and this particular coin. Well, this one's not from 1938, and I don't have an example from 38. I've got a few different ones here, but this is probably the nicest graded one I've got here. This is a 1946, and it's got King George the Sixth on there. And but one of the most what we do like to find, and is the 50-cent coin, and that one there was commemorating the 25th anniversary of decimal currency. So it's got a great depiction of the RAM, and this is also a lower minted coin as well. And these can be found in fairly good condition as of recent. I've been finding a few, and they're always going to be a keeper because they're worth more than face value. But let's get back to the shilling. So this is a set that the mint put out in 2011. Now inside here are $4 coins, and they've all got. I'll try and make it not so glary, but they've all got a picture of the RAM as depicted on the shilling, and these coins here are all mint marked for the various capital cities. A few of the capital cities of Australia. Canberra being the capital city of Australia, Brisbane being the capital city of Queensland, Melbourne being the capital city of Victoria, and Sydney being the capital city of New South Wales. So you can see on there, maybe you can, that one there has an S on it, and the M is on that one there, and B, and this one has got the C. Now you'll notice there it says mint mark, privy mark, so just the differences between that. It doesn't mean that they are actually minted in those states. It just means that they've got a privy mark relating to each of those cities. But the C mint mark is to represent Canberra. Alright, so there's some information on this particular folder, and I just want to read that to you. So in 1938, as I said, George Kruger Gray's new coin designs reflected Australia's agricultural riches. The country's wool and wheat farming created great wealth and prestige. The proud heritage is represented by the Grand Merino Ram, which features on the shilling from 1938 to 1963. The original design was modelled on a champion merino at the annual Sydney Sheep Show in 1932. Considered to be unmatched in the position of its head and horns, named Uradry 0.1 after its home station, it became known as the Shilling Ram and represented Australia's growing wool industry. So I thought that was pretty cool. So I'm not sure whether this photo on the front of this particular coin set is that particular RAM, but it could well be. And if you have a look at the, I suppose that's the largest sort of. It's pretty similar. The horns look like they're going out the same way, so it could well be the same RAM that has been depicted on this coin. Maybe that's the reason why they put it there. So just the obverse side there. So these are 2011, and I really like this this sticker they've put on there. It's very well done. Hologram. Yeah, so that's a nice set. I've always wanted this set, and I've had it for a few years. But back in 2016, when the changeover coins came out, they also depicted it on the 50-cent coin. So there we have the 6 coins there, the current circulating set. And if we have a look at the 50-cent coin in particular, it's got a picture of the shilling in the middle there. So good on the mint for doing that, as they represented each of the pre-decimal coins on our current coins. So yeah, that's about it, guys. I just wanted to have a look at the importance of the RAM, and it certainly is one of my favorite designs on any of our coins. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this look at it, and just a little bit of a reason why it is so important on our currency. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do so. Hit that bell and you'll be notified each and every time one of my videos goes up. And if you do enjoy this video, please give it a like. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll have another video for you soon.